Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the hashtags that appears in Excel. So you can see here that I have this column full of hashtags, and the problem with this is simple. It's because these values are long, and if the width of the column is short, then Excel can't show the full values. So I have just to make this column bigger. You can see here another example. And in this example, even if I make this column bigger, it will stay showing the hashtags. And the problem here is that the value that I have written here is minus 1000. And the problem is that I have set the type of the value to date. And we know that date cannot be negative. And so if I make this number, the value will show in correct format. So it was just an error in setting the right type of the value. So these are the two common cases where Excel shows the hashtags, and I have shown you how to solve them. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. Thank you for watching.